How's it going, guys? SYGTECH is here. Let's unbox the Moza HPB Handbrake. Super excited to show you today's video because this handbrake is next level. You don't gonna believe how much this handbrake costs. Here in UK, this handbrake costs around £100. Although this been released in, if I'm not wrong, in nearly 3 years ago, but this handbrake is next level. We'll talk about in today's video, and I'm gonna give you my experience because I bought it 6 months ago, and believe it or not, it's still is like new. Amazing handbrake, fantastic build quality, and the price is just unbelievable. I know on the market probably the eBay handbrake is going to be the most popular one, but the truth being told, I bought it a couple of months ago, the most popular handbrake on eBay, and believe it or not, it broke on the next day. For some reason the handbrake was not working, and I tried troubleshooting, I tried a lot of stuff. I contacted the seller, and yeah, I had to send it back. And there's a quite annoying things about the eBay handbrake. It's very noisy. This handbrake, the Moza HPB handbrake, is very quiet. But now let's talk about the features. So we have the lever, we have a lot of tools. So this is fantastic because the build quality is from the airplane grade aluminum. It's a 16-bit high precision position sensors. Also, it can be adjustable for vertical or horizontal. As you can see, we have a lot of cool stuff in the box. We have attachments, we have a Type-C, we have tools. This thing is just next level. Once again, the build quality is from the airplane grade aluminum. This is just fantastic. Also, it's very quiet. It's adjustable, so you can adjust the handbrake. So if you want to have a little bit more stiff, a little bit more hard precision, you can do that as well. You can change the position, and it's easy to use. And the fact that they give a lot of tools and a lot of customizations, it's fantastic. You don't believe that this costs around £100 here in UK, which in my opinion, for handbrake with customizations, it's still. Also, you need to use pit stop. If I'm not wrong, it's called the software for the Moza racing. But yeah, it's great. My opinion is 100% yes. If you can find this handbrake, even sometimes I do deals, definitely buy it. I recommend it 150%. Again, not sponsored by Moza Racing, but definitely I recommend it. I know on the market you'll find a lot of options, but personally I think, this is my opinion, this is the best option for the price, the features, and just looks amazing. This thing I believe should cost more than £100 in my opinion for the quality. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.